For me, the Nova Music Festival was first and foremost a gathering of love, and we danced and we had the most wonderful time, and suddenly the music stopped. Then I saw the massive barrage of rockets. People are screaming, running. I remember how terrified I was, and I'm just left with that haunting feeling.
October 7th left the Nova community devastated and broken in a very harsh way in that day. We have over 411 murdered souls, over 44 who were kidnapped, and we're still praying for the return of some of the hostages. And we have roughly 3,500 people who've been injured physically or mentally, because no one's walked out of this without some kind of form of injury. The Tribe of Nova Foundation was founded as a concept 2 weeks after the massacre. There was a community healing center that was set up in the first week after disaster, and from that grew something very professional. The Tribe of Nova Foundation has set forth the goal and its mission to be there for a lifetime of all the survivors and brave families in what we call post-traumatic growth. We're actually trying to create a journey where they can even become stronger and more powerful and do more good for themselves and for their surroundings.
The foundation is a family, it's a place of light, it's a place that gives you back the belief that you can grow stronger. They saved my soul.
We have weekend retreats, we have healing community days, and we do a lot of different events, including the exhibitions that many of you saw in LA. Part of its goal, besides combating hatred and anti-Semitism, but it's also to commemorate the lost loved ones and share their stories. We're working very closely with government agencies that each survivor will get their rights and reprimands they deserve as being a terror victim. And the last thing is the discretionary fund. We've had a couple hundred of survivors that really can't pay rent, food, electricity, and we are giving them stipends to really help them through. And I'm excited to announce we just signed the lease on the Nova House. Now we have our own community in a gated place where people know they could call home.
הקהילה פה מאוד תומכת. כולנו עברנו דברים דומים, אם זה אנשים שהיו בנובה בעצמם, או אם זה אנשים כמוני שאיבדו מישהו בנובה, רק אנחנו יכולים להבין אחד את השני. אז יש לנו משהו משותף.
Our most urgent fundraising need right now is to scale the healing and wellness programs, to fund weekend retreats and wellness days and nature trip days and community days, even more with the members of the Beret families together with the survivors. Thank you, Impact Forum Foundation. Every one of you is helping post-traumatic growth for our survivors and bereaved members of the family. Toda Rabba, we're Am Echad, we're one nation. Am Yisrael Chai. Thank you.